Hello?
Hi, Gabi, jiena John.
Oh, John.
Isma' taf li qed nagħmlu podcast jien Robert.
Iva.
U tħallna naqra fuq l-erosija tagħkom. Palissa, by the way, qiegħda fuq il-mikrofon inti.
Okay.
U saqsejtu tipodi kif baqgħet miegħek. U ma kienx jaf. U peress li m'għandix fact checker illum għax il-fact checker qed nintervistah. I'd go straight to the source.
I see.
Bil-mod.
Aħna live.
Fire questions, maddanni.
Mela, għalfej għadek ma' Robert, għalfej bqajt, x'kien il-fascinu ta' Robert Gruppetta?
Illa, man.
I've never asked
ħafna
this.
affarijiet u.
Kienet rieda.
Nħobbu, ovvjament. He's very caring, he's very loving.
What's a caring thing that Robert does?
The dishes.
Taħħa sekonda titkellem jien ma' donna.
A caring thing that Robert does. Illa, John, you really put me on the spot, Madonna.
Not at all.
I think you to call me. A lot of things.
If there are a lot, you can choose.
Well, anyway, just so you know, he's been saying some wonderful things about you. That's why, għalek, badna speċa din il-modija ta' t-għan tajtilna l-istoria ta' mux kif il-tqajtu, ma' insomma, il-żminijiet li għaddejtu fl-imkien u beda jsemmik ħafna. Allora speċa nibtet kurzita. Imma tħobbu għax caring, għax gustus.
That's not one of the things.
That's not one of the things?
I'm joking.
The kindest, Tista, the kindest.
He makes me laugh. He's caring. He's loving.
L-istess affarijiet qed ngħidu da. Għax qed not. The same unique things you're saying, caring 3 times.
Okay, listen, I think you guys are going to have to take this up
At home?
once you
Yes.
return home. Mustandaw mollum. Thank you for taking the call, Gabi.
Okay, thank you, Inti.
And
Good, alright, or we do it again.
It's good.
on this podcast we do nothing again. All right, grazie ħafna, Gab.
Alright. Thank you.
Take care.
Ciao.
Ciao, Xbin. Ciao.
Thinking on her feet and being on the spot, not her forte.
Allora mux mislek għatli ċempis ta' ħosni għazini.
As if I love seeing these things happen.
All right, mela.
So, I have to figure out why my wife is still with me, apparently.
Le, she
I'm
thinks you're
joking, I'm
caring.
joking. Yes. I don't let us use a lot of these words, but to me, like, caring is one of the most tenuous things while you're with someone. So in my head, as a almost default, like everyone should be a bit caring, right? Like
Should be, yes, should be.
Yeah.
But a lot of people are, not a lot, but I'm sure there's like selfish,
Mhux hekk,
devious,
but I'm not going to
Machiavellian.
marry someone because
Resentful.
they meet my basic requirements, tipo. And I know she said this in a great way, and I would just want to help her squeeze out a bit more. Not like maybe it comes 10 years, maybe in 20 years, whenever. But to a point where she'll be like, I see why you used to say I shouldn't just say caring, because it's so easy to just say caring. Taf kif. Like, why would you marry this person? They're caring, they're loving, they're
Nas il-marti għal istess affarijiet tajt fuqi. Mela, tlaqna?